Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to add, change or remove a PIN password to your laptop on Windows 11. First, open Windows 11 settings. Then choose the Accounts option. After that, choose the Sign-in options. Before setting up a PIN password, you have to set up a password. Click on Setup to add a PIN password. Windows Hello PIN is a fast, secure way to sign into your device, apps, and services. Enter your password. Then enter your PIN. Your PIN can include letters and symbols. Be careful, your PIN has to meet the complexity requirements, and can't be a common number pattern. You can also change the PIN password or remove it if you don't want it anymore.